So the first reason could be if Binance is banned in your country. So if Binance is banned in your country and you're trying to access it, then of course it's going to say 403 error. So the only way to fix this is use a VPN and connect to a country where Binance is not banned and then try to access the Binance website, then it should work. And the other thing is sometimes your internet is slow and it's not able to access Binance website, then it's just going to show you 403 error. In case of that, you just need to check your internet connection and connect to a stable internet connection. You can't do anything else more than that, alright? And in other case, let's say like you try to access Binance and Binance is under maintenance. So Binance is a website, so sometimes you need to repair your website. So if Binance is under maintenance and you're trying to access the website at the same time, then it's not going to work. And the only way to fix it is wait until Binance fixes their problem and opens their website again. So in that case, the only thing you can do is wait. So there's three reasons: if Binance is banned, or if your internet connection is slow, or if Binance is under maintenance. And I told you how you guys can, tackle this problem for, three of these conditions. So hope you guys understand how you guys can face or like fix this 403 error in Binance.